Yeah, students, now we are going to discuss regarding Rosenmund's reduction reaction. First point, in this name reaction, only aldehyde preparation is possible. Second point, in this reaction, acid chlorides are converting into aldehydes. The general formula of acid chloride is what? RCOCl plus H2 in the presence of palladium, barium sulfate and quinoline, or you can use sulfur also. You will get aldehydes. So acid chlorides are converting into what? Aldehydes by catalytic hydrogenation in the presence of palladium, barium sulfate. General reaction okay na? RCOCl plus H2 in the presence of palladium, barium sulfate and quinoline, you will get RCHO. And let us take example, or CH3COCl, name is ethanoyl chloride, common name is acetyl chloride, plus H2 in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate and little amount of quinoline or sulfur added to this. The quinoline or sulfur acts as a catalytic poison. You will get acetaldehyde. IUPAC name is ethanol. Aromatic aldehyde, if you are taking benzyl chloride C6H5COCl plus H2, palladium, barium sulfate, sulfur, quinoline, you will get benzaldehyde. And this is another very important competitive bit. By using Rosenmund's reduction reaction, formaldehyde cannot be prepared, because in this name reaction, if you want to prepare formaldehyde using acid chloride is formyl chloride HOCl, that HOCl is unstable at room temperature. This is another important competitive bit. And next one, what is the reason for adding quinoline or sulfur to the catalyst? Quinoline or sulfur acts as a catalytic poison. What is the reason for using this substance? If you are performing the reaction acid halide H2 in the presence of only palladium, acid chlorides converts into aldehydes. Aldehydes further reduction gives alcohols. Aldehydes further reduction to give primary alcohol. So to avoid the conversion of aldehydes into primary alcohol, we are adding catalytic poison. It reduces or it retards further reduction. Means palladium, barium sulfate in quinoline is also called Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst. This is also important bit. Lindlar's catalyst is responsible for controlled hydrogenation. Means acid halides first converts into only aldehydes. If there is a continuation reduction takes place, definitely it is converted into primary alcohol. But if we are using Lindlar's catalyst, this reduction stop at aldehydes only. So controlled hydrogenation takes place in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst. So function of poisoning of catalyst. See the matter. Normally aldehydes further reduced to what? Primary alcohols. Therefore, in order to prevent the further reduction of aldehydes, catalytic mixture is poisoned or deactivated by adding sulfur or quinoline. This controls the reaction to aldehydes only. After formation of aldehydes, reaction going to be stopped. Okay. Thank you.